जय हिंद बच्चों। माई सेल्फ धनंजय गुप्ता फ्रॉम केंद्रीय विद्यालय BHU वाराणसी। टुडे we are going to study about the motional EMF by Lorentz force. Suppose a magnetic field B just lie perpendicular to this plane and inward. We consider a conductor of U shape which have negligible resistance, and a conductor PQ of length L, and suppose it's a resistance R. If we move this wire as this figure, and we know that each conductor have free electrons, that is charge, then each electron experience a force. Suppose this is moving towards like this, then force acting on all electrons we can find by Fleming's left hand rule. Magnetic field is just inward. Motion of the charge is this direction, but this is the direction for electron, but we know that the direction of positive charge will be just opposite, so then force will be as like this, that is electron experience force from P to Q. So all electrons start moving from side P to side Q. That is why this side becomes positive and all electrons start gathering here, so that a potential difference created across P and Q, and that potential difference we have to find here. Now we know that if Q charge exists in the length L of the wire, then magnetic force Fm acting on the charge Q VB sin 90. Why sin 90? Because magnetic field is just perpendicular to this plane and charge motion is in this plane. That is why sin 90. Due to this accumulation of the charges across end of P and Q, an electric field started, so that force acting due to this electric field on the charge is Q into E. This force increases up to the value when Fm and Fe becomes equal, that is Fm and Fe when becomes equal, then Q VB equal to Q into E. From here we can find electric field. This Q is cancelled out. Electric field E equal to V into B. We know that potential difference equal to electric field into length, that is we already know V equal to E into L. Suppose that here is suppose electric field is uniformly exist the two end of the P and Q. Now from this relation, the potential difference across this wire PQ, we assume here E electric field. Now electric field E into L. E is V into B and L, that is E equal to BLV. This is the motional EMF generated across a wire of length L, which is moving with velocity V in a magnetic field perpendicular to the plane of motion of the charge. This is equal to BLV.